In this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to install a game on your Nintendo Switch. Let's go! First, open the album. Then open DBI. In DBI, select one MTB responder. Connect this cable from your computer to your Nintendo Switch. Drive switch open. Open the game folder on your computer. You can install the games to number 5 or number 6 to your drive switch folder and copy the entire base game updates, and DLC. Simply just drag and drop. The game will automatically install. The process depends on the speed of your memory card. Wait until it's finished. The game has finished installing. Now, you can see the game is already installed. Enjoy!